Hey guys, today, let's learn how to unhide photos in iPhone on the iOS 17. So if you guys would like to go ahead and unhide specific photos that you have hidden on your iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so this is gonna be pretty easy, because all we need to do in order for us to do this is to go ahead and launch the Photos application, and once we are already here, I would like you guys to proceed to scroll down until you see your hidden album. Now here is where you guys could locate all of your hidden photos, and it's gonna be pretty easy to unhide one of those photos just by tapping on the specific album. Next, you need to choose the specific photo that you'd like to unhide, and you will have an option on that photo, which is basically gonna tell you if you want to unhide this photo. Just tap on unhide. It's gonna go back to its original location, on its original album, on the Photos app, and it's now unhidden. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.